सब्सक्राइब करें हमारे YouTube चैनल को और दबाइए इस घंटे को ताकि आप हमारी कोई भी वीडियोस को मिस ना करें।
Hey there, my name is Sherman and welcome back with another new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you my new project which is based on the theme of ICC Cricket World Cup 2019. So without any further ado, let's get straight into it. Okay, so here is my project. Basically, it's a camera attached on a cap. So umpire can wear this cap and every footage would be stored in this camera. And the output of this camera will be directly connected to the Raspberry Pi. And I have written a code with Python in the Raspberry Pi so it can record the video. So let's see the demo of the project.